Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing why the cryptocurrency market is dead and why this AI bot is the future of investing. Cryptocurrency was once seen as a revolutionary concept, but it's clear that the market has taken a turn for the worse. In this video, we'll be discussing why the cryptocurrency market is dying and why this AI bot is the new way to make money. Part 1. The death of crypto. The cryptocurrency market has been on a downward spiral for the past few years, and it's time to face the facts. Cryptocurrency was once seen as a promising investment opportunity, but it's clear that this is no longer the case. There are several reasons why the cryptocurrency market is dying. Firstly, the market is incredibly volatile. Prices can fluctuate by thousands of dollars in a matter of minutes, which makes it incredibly difficult for investors to make money. Additionally, there are very few regulations in place, which means that the market is vulnerable to manipulation and fraud. Secondly, there is no real-world use for most cryptocurrencies. Many of them were created as a means of speculative investment, but they have no practical applications. As a result, they are largely useless, and their value is entirely dependent on investor sentiment. Finally, the cryptocurrency market is incredibly saturated. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies available, and it's difficult to know which ones are worth investing in. This saturation has led to a lack of trust in the market, and many investors are pulling out as a result. Part 2. The future of investing. So, if the cryptocurrency market is dead, what is the future of investing? The answer lies in AI bots. AI bots are the future of investing because they are able to analyze data and make decisions based on that data. This means that they are able to make more informed investment decisions than humans. Additionally, AI bots are not subject to human emotions, which means that they are able to make decisions based purely on data. This makes them more reliable and less prone to making mistakes. Furthermore, AI bots are able to process vast amounts of data in a matter of seconds, which means that they are able to make investment decisions much faster than humans. One example of an AI bot that is revolutionizing the investment industry is the one we will discuss today. It uses complex algorithms and machine learning to analyze data and make investment decisions. This AI bot has a proven track record of success, and many investors are already using it to make money. Part 3. How this AI bot works. So, how does this AI bot work? The first step is to sign up for an account with the company that provides it. Once you have an account, you will need to deposit some money into it. The minimum deposit is usually around $100, but you can deposit more if you wish. Once you have deposited your money, the AI bot will begin analyzing the investment market. It will look for patterns and trends in the data, and it will make investment decisions based on that data. When the AI bot makes an investment, it will notify you via email or SMS. You can choose to follow the AI bot's investment recommendations, or you can make your own investment decisions based on the data that the AI bot provides. Either way, this AI bot is an incredibly useful tool that can help you to make money in the investment market. Part 4. Features of this AI bot. This AI bot has several features that make it stand out from other AI bots. Firstly, it has a wide range of investment options available. This means that you can invest in a range of different assets, including stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. This gives you a diverse investment portfolio, which is essential for reducing risk and maximizing returns. Secondly, this AI bot has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. You don't need any technical knowledge to use it, and you can start investing within minutes of signing up. Thirdly, this AI bot has a proven track record of success. It has been tested extensively and has consistently outperformed the market. This means that it has a high probability of making you money, and many investors have already seen significant returns on their investments. Part 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is dead, and it's time to move on. The market is volatile, saturated, and lacks real-world use cases. However, the future of investing lies in AI bots. They are able to analyze data and make informed investment decisions faster and more reliably than humans. This AI bot is the future of investing, and it has several features that make it stand out from other AI bots. It has a wide range of investment options, a user-friendly interface, and a proven track record of success. If you're looking to invest your money and make a profit, then you should consider using this AI bot. It's an incredibly useful tool that can help you to navigate the complex and ever-changing investment market. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start investing with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.